y'all, welcome to Jen's Kitchen, where we're bringing families together one recipe at a time. In today's video, I'm going to be making the best cranberry sauce ever. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Let's start by peeling the ginger. Now to grate the ginger and zest the orange. Add in equal parts of brown sugar and water. Now dump in the cranberries. Sprinkle in more ginger and orange zest. Now we're going to add almond and orange extract to intensify those flavors. Let's add some juice from the orange. Now to make the brown sugar and bourbon. Start with butter, soy sauce, and the bourbon with the same amount of sugar to make a syrup. Now add some bourbon glaze to the cranberry sauce. Add a pinch of salt, some cinnamon, and smoked paprika. Cook the cranberries until they pop. Now add some honey for some extra sweetness. When they are finished, put them in the fridge and let them chill for at least 2 hours. If you liked my recipe, make sure to click one of these links and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!